my brown stew goat meat. Yep. I've changed the pot again to a bigger pot, so I've added some seasoning, coconut cream, thyme, scallion, whatever, onion. I mean, I want nobody come tell me say I know so if you cook it how I want to cook it. You see me? When it's done, you will see what I go on. You have your style and I have my style, so I'm going to make that go on. Cook up and make the season go and do it thing. Rice now add till later. This is the coconut cream that I use. I mean, I have no special one. Anyone is in the shop, I buy it. But this one is KTC. So pressure I go along this, so and in a long time big pot I go along. So yeah. That's the pot for the rice and peas. I'm gonna let it simmer and go on do a thing before I add the rice. Boil out the coconut cream good and all of those nice things. Yeah. So I've added the rice. Just add the rice to it. So I'm gonna turn the heat down because I don't want it to burn. Turn the heat down and then it should simmer down quite nicely. Here I am now. I've added some nice seasoning, onions, scallion, tomatoes, potatoes, and some carrots. I'm leaving this one for last time. And I'm gonna let it saute for a bit before I then add it to the goat meat and then the thyme. So I'm gonna let this maybe stay for about 15 minutes, I'm thinking. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add the thyme at the last minute. So I'll go on rice. I'll come on over this. So goat meat. And then this a little part. Yeah. See you in a bit, few. So that's the rice. So come on. It still need to steam a bit more. Yeah. So I've now added them together and I'm gonna let it cook for a bit more, simmer for a bit, and I'm also gonna add my thyme now. Yeah, I think that's enough. Yep. This is where I'm at. I'm gonna cover it a bit. And the rice will come on nice and shelly. You see it. Put on a rice pan number 1. Yeah. Okay, so I'll keep you up to date.